Hi, I'm Jordan with Sawblade.com. Are you in the market for a mild steel blade that incorporates professional quality at an economical price? Well, here at Sawblade.com, we've got the solution for you. This is our 4 3/4-inch mild steel QSaw blade. This mild steel blade is designed to handle materials from a 16 to a 1/4-inch wall thickness. The 4 3/4 blade fits all machines with a 3/8 arbor with a max speed of 6,000 RPMs. It's equipped with an industrial quality metal cutting carbide with a triple chip design. This provides excellent blade life as well as an outstanding finish in a variety of applications. It also has a thick laser cut body yielding superior rigidity to the blade, making it tough enough to handle even the toughest of projects. To get your industrial quality QSaw blade, log on to www.sawblade.com, where we offer a wide variety of performance sawing products at factory direct prices. I'm Jordan with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.